Good morning! I am making breakfast. Whew, ha! I love this sweet grape juice. I will pour a large glass. The lid is open now. Oops! I am losing my balance. Oh no! The juice is falling! The carpet is getting dirty. What a terrible mess I made. I must act very quickly. I need these paper towels. Who? I will use many sheets. I must blot the stain first. The paper is absorbing the juice. Whew.
I need to repeat this.
This technique is working well. Now I need a little water. The sponge is ready to clean. Kommer schön into Sara. I will use some mild soap.
I will work on the edges. Was.
This soap smells very fresh.
I can still see a little bit. One. Whoa.
This is a strong cleaner. Whew. Organization is very helpful. This towel is very soft.
Alaikuba. I am removing the extra moisture.
I must finish before the kids arrive. The time is passing fast. I look tidy and ready.
The rug is still damp.
This fan will dry the rug. The air is moving now. Fresh air is very good. I am hungry after working. The stain is almost gone. I am proud, whole, of my work.
Aufgeräumt? I have everything for school.
I found my car keys. Oh! The sunlight is so pretty. I feel very energetic now. I will drive carefully today. I am right on schedule. I am right on schedule. Hello, class. Fos, furu. Hello, class. Let's learn. I am back. Whoo! At home. The rug looks brand new. It feels very soft again. I will be more cautious. Slowly and carefully does it. I did. A great job. Hygiene is very important here.
The day is ending soon.
Oh. Da. I will read a story. This book looks interesting. Interesting. The blanket is so cozy. Books are like treasure. The sunset is beautiful. Everything is peaceful tonight. Whew. A little light is good. I am very tired now.
I love my family so much.
The pillow is very cool. A good night of rest is beginning. The morning sun is starting to rise. I kept my home tidy. I can do anything. Life is very wonderful. My rug is perfect now. Cleaning is fun. Goodbye. Goodbye.